down the street, singing of flowers off the floor and drinking tea. But she don't love me, that's news to me.
Hello everyone and welcome back to AM Hooked. I'm Anastasia. That is a 4.5 millimeter tulip hook. And today I'm going to be showing you the extended half double crochet. Chain up any amount. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over. And insert. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Now I'm going to show you how to do that a couple more times. Yarn over, insert into the chain. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through 1. You have 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Excuse the dog noise. And I'm going to show you a couple more times now. And there are your extended half double crochets. Now I'm going to show you how to do a heart puff. You can see that I have 1 already done there. You chain up an even number. Make a single crochet in the second hook from the chain, skip 3, and then do your first heart puff. Now I'm going to show you how to do the heart puff. Skip 3 in the 4th chain, yarn over and insert into the chain, pull up a loop. Now you have 3, yarn over, insert into the chain, pull up a loop. Now you have 5. Do it 1 more time because this is going to be a 7 loop puff stitch. You have 7 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through all loops. Chain 1. Go back into that same stitch and make another 7 loop puff stitch. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Sometimes it gets a little tough, just keep going. And then pull, and then chain 1. Now I'm going to show you how to do that a couple more times. Yarn over. Now I'm going to show you how to do that a couple more times. Yarn over. Insert into the 4th chain. Pull up a loop and keep doing that until you have 7 loops on the hook. Pull through all 7.
Mama Mavis, oh mama, they try my patience. Is gone, who is left to save us? We mourn, I'm praying for my neighbors. They say the devil's at work.
And I'm going to show you how to do it a couple more times.
If change don't come, then the change won't come. If the bands make them dance, then the rain gon' come. Am I passing through the light? Look into your eyes. All the world is out of your head. You got be ready for it.
Something out the country fair is about to change its form. It's a shift.
And there are your heart puff stitches.
Look into my eyes, mama, tell me what you see.
Now I'm going to show you how to do the alpine stitch. You start by making a row of double crochets in an even multiple. Chain 2 and make a front post double crochet. Make a double crochet in the next stitch, a regular double. And then make a front post. And continue that till the end of the row. Now at the end of the row, chain 1. I'm chaining 2, but I'm going to pull 1 out. Chain 1. Gonna correct my mistake. And then we're gonna make single crochets in every stitch of this row. Remember, the chains don't count as a stitch. So just a single crochet in every stitch.
How are things on the West Coast? I hear you moving real fine. You wear those shoes like a dove. Now slip those shoes will go roaming in the night. But how are things on the West Coast?
At the end of the row, chain 2. Turn, and then we're going to do a double crochet over that raised front post double crochet. So just a regular double, and then a front post double next. And that's the difference in the two front post double rows. One starts with a front post, the other starts with a regular double. Showing you there. Now be sure you're going over the right stitch. I just corrected where I wasn't. So I'm making that double crochet, and then I'm going to do a front post double in that kind of dipped stitch to make it a raised stitch. And then I'm going to make a regular double. That's really all there is to the alpine stitch. It's rows of front post and regular double, followed up by a row of single crochet. And that is the end of the tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more like content. I enjoy comments, likes, anything. I'm on Instagram, my regular website, and soon to be on Etsy.